Okay, let's start our tutorial today. First, we go to Google Chrome. We go to Google and we type adblock plus Chrome. Okay, then we go for adblock plus. Click add to Chrome. We need to add the extension. Okay, success. Now it's running. So we can see here, it will display how many items is blocked. The advertise. Let's test it out. We go to YouTube. So this is working. If you want to uninstall the app block, you just go to setting here, the top right corner, settings, go to the extension. You can remove from here, or you can temporarily disable it. Then it will not showing here in the menu side. You can turn on, or you can just remove. Thank you for watching.